Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Tally to Make. Com step by step. First, log into your Make. Com account and create a brand new scenario. This is where all the magic happens. Next, search for and add the Tally Watch Responses module. This module acts as the trigger for your automation. You'll then connect your Tally account by providing your unique API key, ensuring a secure link between the two platforms. Finally, select the specific Tally form you want to use for this integration. Now let's set up the webhook. Make. Com will provide you with a unique webhook URL. Carefully copy this URL. Then, navigate to your Tally form settings, find the integrations section, and paste the copied webhook URL there. This establishes the communication channel. To ensure everything is working perfectly, submit a test response through your Tally form. Immediately check your Make. Com scenario to confirm it successfully receives and processes this new data, indicating a successful connection. With the connection established, it's time to map your data. Add additional modules in your Make. Com scenario, such as Google Sheets or Slack, to handle the incoming Tally responses. You'll then meticulously map each relevant Tally form field to its corresponding field in the subsequent application. For instance, a name field from Tally goes to a name column in your spreadsheet. Make. Com offers powerful tools to transform data, ensuring it fits perfectly into your desired destination, making your workflow seamless and efficient. Before going live, perform a thorough final test of your entire Make. Com scenario. Run it once and carefully review the data flow through all modules, ensuring every piece of information is accurate and complete. Once you are confident, activate your Make. Com scenario. This will enable continuous, automated processing of all new Tally form submissions. Keep an eye on the first few live responses to confirm everything is running smoothly, providing you with a reliable and efficient automation solution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.